Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will unbox hand grinder from 1zpresso and Delonghi coffee beans espresso. For espresso, intensity of these beans is roasting point is 2 and intensity is 3. Origin from these Brazil, and I have bought it from the online store of Delonghi in Pakistan, and I bought it this 1zpresso coffee hand grinder from Amazon online store at the price of $170. $160 $160 is its price, and $10 is $10 to $11 is its tax. So including tax, its total price is $170. So today we unbox these both. Firstly, I will unbox this hand grinder. That is 1zpresso JX Pro series. Light gray model is FJXP2. Okay, now its total weight is 740 gram. That is a very popular machine. Here is written hand coffee grinder. Here the simpler the better. 1zpresso.com. You can buy it from 1zpresso.com in the 1zpresso online store too. But I bought it from the Amazon. Okay, so now it's time to unbox it. So I open it. This is cover. This is manual for this is the grind setting reference. Okay, and one mean complete one round, and these are the points. Okay, so one mean complete one round, and these are the reference point. These the first is for Turkish coffee grind size, and this is the for the espresso. This is for the AeroPresso mocha pot and drip coffee makers. These are for the pour overs, and this is for the French press. Okay, but I have I love to grind for espresso because I love espresso. This is the manual book, JX Pro manual coffee grinder. Okay, this is manual book for that. That is the picture representing the parts of different parts of this machine, and this is the user instruction, and dot will be represent the reference point, and this will represent the this dialer represent the adjustment dialer. Okay, the always should begin. Here is written to begin. Turn the adjustment dial clockwise until it is at the tightest position. So let's open it. This comes from the very beautiful cleaner brush. So this is very heavy and very impressive, good looking. It look like inferior quality. This comes with this is coffee jar basket. This is the bar. Okay, and this is the dialer, adjustment dialer. Okay, and this is hooper. Made from the plastic, and everything by aluminium. Remaining everything is by two things are plastic, made by plastic. One this and this. Remaining all from the, and this is I think the like a wood, but maybe it is plastic too. Okay, and remaining all is made from the aluminium. You can see from the inside. Okay, so like this. This has also bearing. This that is a very impressive. That it rotates very fluently, no resistance. Okay, if you are using it first time, firstly we have to check its zero position, because to save the burr, the 1zpresso grinder don't come with the zero position. So firstly I have to rotate it clockwise like this until it stops to move. Okay, and it comes to zero setting. If the point is not zero, you can open it and readjust as it is mentioned on this instruction. But it is not important. But for you, for simplicity, usually people set it at 0 point. If you want to adjust it, if it is not 0 point, it is at 0 point. But if it is not at 0 point reference, then you can open it moving to anti-clockwise. I think. Sorry, move the dialer clockwise to make grind fine. And okay, for deassembling, anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, until it detach from this shift, and then you can rotate inner dialer to the position to set the zero setting. Okay, so this is this, and now we test it. It's grinding. So this is the this is 0 point. For espresso we need a 12 to 16 size. So for 12 mean 1 complete round, and from 2 every there are 10 numbers, and every number is a 4 points inside. There is a 4 numbers between 1 and 2 numbers. So total adjustment size, one round has a 40 adjustment. Like 10 multiplied by 4 is a 40. So there is a 10 sub adjustments. Okay. So firstly rotate one complete round anti-clockwise. This 0 as comes again, so this is complete one, and then I go to the 2 number or 3 numbers. So I move it to, this is 1, this is 2, and I set it into the 3. I set it into the 3 number. Okay, so this grind size is 13. Okay, so now I check it for 13. Now I unbox this Delonghi coffee beans knife. I think very nice, smell is very good. Okay, medium roasted. Okay. Okay, now start the grinding. I have to rotate it to clockwise, not anti-clockwise. It may be dangerous for the grinder. So if the size is you are not taking the fine size, that it will take a very less time, but if you are adjusted very fine, then it will take time, because I adjusted very fine level, so that's why this will take me time. Actually, I am using it first time. I don't know how much time it will take. It is good for exercise too. Now when it become a free, it's mean the all beans have been grinded. So very fine grindings. Now we will clean it with this brush. Okay. The grind size is very consistent. You can see that this is the grind size and very consistent and very fine. Smell is very good, not heated. Temperature is very, you can check it. Okay, and you can pour it like this. Spoon.